Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Ian Easy. My name is Delia and today I'm going to show you guys how to create an awesome presentation on Google Slides. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and turn on your post notifications so you're notified every time I post a new video. Let's get started. Yeah, so the first thing you need to do is make sure you're on your Google account. And once you are, you'll see at the top right corner, there is your account icon, and beside that there is a few dots. Now if you press on this, it will show you your Google Apps. When you scroll down, you'll find Slides, and if you click this, then it will bring you to Google Slides. Now if you have a phone or an iPad, you will need to download the app. Okay, so once you're on Google Slides, you will see that at the top there is a search bar. This is where you can search through all your presentations to find the right one. Then underneath that, there are the templates. On the right, you will see the option for template gallery. And this will show you all the different possibilities of templates for different things, for example, work or personal or education. Now if you go back, under templates is your recent designs or presentations. So I'm going to choose the blank template. And once I do this, you'll see at the side there is your themes. This is something you can add to all your slides, and it will stay consistent unless you want to change it. So I'm going to just choose this simple dark one. And you can always import a theme by uploading it from your device. Next, you can add a name to your presentation. Then you can always rename it by just clicking on it and editing the name. Now on the right side there is your comment history, present, which I will get into later, and share. If you press on share, you can share your presentation to different people. All you have to do is add the person's email or the group's email. Then you can press done. Now over here you can also change the settings for people. Now down here on this side there is new slide. So if you click on it, a new slide will pop up and it'll be in this exact same theme as the one up here. Then there is undo and redo. Beside that is print. You can zoom in or zoom out. You can make a text box. And you can insert an image, add a shape or a line, add a comment. Now over here you can add a background to your slides. So you can either add a color and then you can add it to your theme. So it will stay consistent in your theme. Or you can choose an image. So there's different options to this. You can either upload it from your device. You can use camera. You can use it by URL. Use your photos, Google Drive, or the Google image search. So if you're using the Google image search, all you have to do is press on the image, and then there'll be an option at the bottom, and you can press insert. Now you can always add this to your theme as well. And then press done. Now beside background, there is layout. This is where you can apply your layout, so you can add a title slide, section header, main point, and so much more. So I'm going to choose a section header because I just want a title. And then I'm going to write my title in this box. Now, beside layout, there is theme. If you click on this, you can always change your theme again. Then there is transition. This is where you can change how your slides go from one to another. So it is currently at none. So you can change it to dissolve, fade, slide from the right, left, flip, cube, or gallery. So I'm going to choose gallery, and then you can choose the duration it goes at, and then you can apply to all slides or just keep it at one. So I'm going to apply to all slides. Then you can press play to see how it looks. Then I'm just going to exit out, and now I'm gonna go to the next slide, and I can always change the font at the top where it says the font. It is currently on Arial. Then I can change the font size as well, make it bold, italic, underline it, add a different color to it, or highlight it. So then you can do the same thing with your text. You can always make it a different font, change the color, and you can change where it is aligned. You can change it to the middle or to the right, or you can make it so it goes completely straight for the whole time. Then you can change the line spacing between your text. You can either change it to single, 1.15, 1.5, double, or you can add a custom spacing. You can also add a space before your paragraph or remove your space after a paragraph. Then you can animate something. So this is pretty much anything. You can animate a text, you can animate a picture, pretty much anything, but you cannot animate a video. So then you can add your text to your presentation for the first slide. Now you can add another slide by pressing the plus again, or you can press Ctrl M and it will create a new slide for you. So now I can add add another heading and text. So over here where it says click to add speaker notes, this you can add notes for you while you're doing your presentation, and you can add like questions for your audience. So if you go like then it will appear on the screen. Again, you can always change everything like the font, the size, and pretty much anything else. Now you can always add a video or an image to your slides too. So you can add a video by going to the insert at the top, then pressing this and going all the way down to the fourth option. Now if you press this, you can insert a video from YouTube. You can use it by the URL of a video, or you can use it from your Google Drive videos. So I'm going to choose to add it by the YouTube URL, and I'm going to paste the URL there, and then I'm going to press select. Then it will put the video on your slide, and you can choose when to start it at, when to end it at. You can also choose its size and rotation, position, and drop shadow. So I'm just going to press these boxes over here, and I am going to change its size. And I'm going to get rid of the box at the back, so I'm going to go to Layout, and I'm going to press Title Only. Then I'm going to replace this heading with then I'm going to click at the side, and then this slide is done. Now I'm going to do my last slide. And in here, I'm just going to add an image. So I'm going to again change the layout to make it blank. Then I'm going to go to this icon right here, and I'm going to insert an image. So you can insert an image from your computer or device. You can either search the web, use your Drive photos, your photos. You can use it by the URL or camera. So I'm going to search the web, and I am going to search up and whenever you're looking for an image, try to make it have a transparent background so it blends with the background of your presentation. Then you can press insert, and it will insert it into your presentation. So I'm going to shrink this and then drag it to the middle. You can also change its rotation by pressing this ball at the top and tilting it. And I'm going to move it here. And finally, you can add word art too. Again, you're going to go to Insert, go to Word Art, and type in whatever you want to type. And then you can press Enter to save. Now, right now it's going to be really dull and pretty boring, but you can always change that by choosing a filling color, and then you can also choose an outline color. Then you can go up here to Format Options. Then you can choose to have a drop shadow, which is like a shadow for your word art, and you can choose the color of it. Then you can choose how transparent you want it to be, how much of a distance you want it to have, and how blurry you want it to be. Then you can also choose the angle you want it to be in. And you can always change the color again. And then you can also add a reflection to your word art, and you can choose how transparent you want it, the distance you want it, the size you want it, or you don't have to have a reflection. Then you can exit out, and you can always change the font that you want. And then you can tilt it, make it bigger or smaller. And then you're done. So now if you want to present it, all you have to do is go to the top and press present. But before you do, there is different options. You can present it with the presenter view. You can present it from the beginning or on another screen. So if you choose the presenter view, you can start at the first slide and then choose presenter view. Then you can open your video while your presentation is going on, or you can also choose to make it autoplay. And then your presentation is over, and you can press escape and it'll be over. And now you can also add an animation if you'd like. You can just press on whatever you want to animate, press animation, and choose if you want to fade it. You want to make it on click. Then you can play it to see how it looks. So you can do it with pretty much anything again. and then you can play it. Now you can present it to see how it looks. You can also add a pointer while you're presenting. You can add notes, question and answer, or captions. And over here are a few tips. So if you add a pointer, it will follow where your mouse is going. Then you can open your video. And that's all you have to do, and your presentation is made. You can add text and so much more. These are just a few of the features that will make your presentation really pop out to your viewers. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time, and bye!